Hello, happy morning students. How are you all? Fine? Good. Yesterday we were studying about lesson pretty as a picture, correct or not? We were studying which lesson? We were studying pretty as a picture, and in that lesson it was told that students have decided, when Miss Nina told them story, students have decided to utilize 5 minutes drill, or they are going to utilize 5 minutes for cleaning up their classroom. Which 5 minutes? Any 5 minutes, or in the ending of last second period of Friday. What they are going to do in 5 minutes, what they are going to do, that we are going to study here. Here it is. By the way, Miss Nina's idea about packing the bag early was really good. My mother said she had never found my bag so neat before, and I hadn't left anything behind in the school either. Every time there is a student and she is telling that my mother, when she checked my bag at that time, she was shocked to see that my bag is kept properly. All the books are kept in one side of the bag. Notebooks are kept in the other side of the bag. And then she was surprised that my child has brought pencil bag, eraser bag, compass bag, tiffin bag is also brought back. Then she was surprised, because this happened only because of whom? This happened only because of Miss Nina. Okay. Now on Monday, when the week began, our class monitor said he had a good idea and he wanted us to listen. Class monitor said that we will have one idea, we will do one idea. What is that idea? That I am going to tell you further. He said that we must practice straightening up the classroom and ourselves quickly, just within 5 minutes. That way we would have time for long stories on Fridays. Whenever every Friday we have story, then what we will do? We will practice 5 minutes drill. 5 minutes drill means what? 5 minutes practice we will do of cleaning the classroom, cleaning ourselves, keeping our bag neat and tidy, keeping our tiffin box neat and tidy. What is that? We will see here now. First minute. Start from the last kid in every line. Collect and pass on all paper and rubbish to the kid in front. They go and put it into the waste paper basket. There is dustbin in the classroom. Last bench child will pass paper wrappers to the last second bench to last third bench, then second, fourth, fifth, sixth, and the first bencher child will take that wrappers and throw them into the waste dustbin basket. Means what? We call it dustbin in our school. Okay. So what they will do? They will throw waste papers, rubbish, whatever things are there in the dustbin. First bench, they will pass it on, and the first bench child will throw it into the dustbin. That they are going to do for how much time? They are going to do it for 1 minute. The second minute, come out of your place and straighten your desk. Look at the lines on the floor to help you keep it just right. Kids on the ends tell you if your desk is out of line. Second minute, what they are going to do? They are going to check whether their benches are in line or not. Whether they are in straight line or not, they are going to straighten their benches in second minute. Okay. In third minute, what they are going to do? Tie shoelaces and ribbons, tuck in blouses and shirts, straighten dresses and belts, face your partners to make sure that everything is all right. Okay. Third minute. Now first minute, they are going to collect all rubbish things in the classroom. Second minute, they are going to make their benches straight in the line. Third minute, they are going to check whether their shirt, their ribbons, their tie, belt, shoelace, everything is everything is proper or not. Whether their ribbons are tied properly or not, whether their hair is proper or not, their tie, or then shirts, correct or not, shirts are tucked in or not, their shoelaces are proper or not, their tiffin box is proper or not, and they are going to check each other. Bench partner is going to check each other. Okay, they are going to check each other. That they are going to do in which minute? Third minute. Then fourth minute. Pack your bags, check all the books, notebooks, compass boxes, color pencils, tiffins, water bottles. Have I written my homework? Have I forgotten anything? Fourth minute, they are going to pack their bag. Okay, they are going to pack. All students in the classroom are going to pack their bags so that they should not leave anything back in the classroom. They are going to keep all books, notebooks in the bag, diaries in the bag. Before keeping diaries in the bag, they are going to write down homework in the diary. After that, they are going to check about their tiffin bags, water bottles, compass box, pencil, eraser, everything they are going to pack properly. Okay, that they are going to do in which minute? 4th minute. Then 5th minute, last minute, what they are going to do? Sit down quietly and try to guess the story Miss Nina is going to tell. Last 1 minute they will sit quietly, they will relax themselves, and they are going to get ready for what? They are going to get ready for this Miss Nina's story on Friday. This drill you can practice or not in your class next, I think so, when our school will reopen, when our school will start regularly, that time you also practice this in your classroom, 5 minutes. Okay. Next, now Meena, now there is a girl, Meena, the other monitor, suggested that we do this without saying a single word. Great idea. That saves us all the confusion. Miss Nina was so pleased with the 5-minute drill. She said she would also help. She said she would keep looking at her watch and tell us after every minute to hurry up. We practiced starting on Monday itself. It was crazy at first. There were kids giggling and making funny faces, and we all felt awkward. But we had to do it for the sake of that story. Now this practice they started on the last moment, or what, when they started on Friday or what? No. Meena was a second. Meena was another monitor, and she said that this practice we will not do on Friday. This practice we are going to start on Monday itself. And when Miss Nina, they told Miss Nina that we are going to have such type of practice so that we will able to hear your story properly on the last period of Friday. And Miss Nina was also happy. She said, I will also help you in cleaning your classroom, and not helping you in cleaning your classroom, she will check in the watch the time. She will tell students 1 minute is over, come on, start second practice drill. First one was what? They were going to clean their classroom, first minute over. Students, come on now, clean your bag, keep all things in your bag, yes or no? Then clean yourself, 3rd minute. 4th minute what they are going to do, 5th minute what they are going to do, that will be helped by whom? That will be helped by Miss Nina. Okay. And do you know what Miss Nina said at the end of 5-minute drill? She said our class looked as pretty as a picture. She compared the classroom with what? She compared the classroom with picture which is put on the wall. Now pictures which we draw and put on the wall, are they dirty? No, they are very much cleaned, and we laminate them, correct or not? We make frames to those photos or pictures. So she said that your classroom looks such a clean, or it looks so clean, as pretty as a picture. So name of our lesson is what? Pretty as a picture. Understood? We got a full 25-minute story in this Friday. When they practiced 5 minutes drill, they could hear 25 minutes, 30 minutes period was there. From 30 minutes, 5 minutes they cleaned their class, and 25 minutes they could hear story of Miss Nina. And first story was also very nice. They enjoyed that story, and they got to hear this time story also. Okay. Now there are some question answers in the exercise. First question is, with the help of calendar, find out how many Fridays there are in this year. Now I have checked this. There are 52 Fridays in year 2020. How many Fridays are there? 52. And from that, how many Fridays you are going to be present here? Second question is given, how many of these Fridays you will spend in school? Now at present we are not there in school, correct or not? But you have to minus 8, because 2 months you have holiday, and in 1 month there are 4 weeks. So you have to count 4 plus 4, 8. From 52 you subtract 8 Fridays, and then you can write down, I am present for so and so Fridays in the school, correct or not? "44 Fridays. How many Fridays? 44 Fridays I am present in the school. Total there are 52 Fridays in the year. Okay, in this year. Next, mention the things that make a class untidy. Question number 1, I have just now told you. Question number 1, there are 52 Fridays in the year 2020. Answer it is a answer second. How many of this 44 Fridays you will spend in school? Now question number 2. What are things which keeps your classroom untidy and which keeps a person untidy? That questions and answers I will send you to today on WhatsApp group. From WhatsApp group you write down, from that image you write down answers in your workbook as well as answers you write down in your notebook. Okay, thank you. We have completed this lesson. Some questions are left. The answers of those questions also I will send you on WhatsApp group, okay, today itself. Thank you.